This is Peter Stone. I want to welcome you once again to 2021. It is the first week, the first Monday of the year, and I want you to get started right if you so choose to. Peter Stone has a new affiliate program just launched and put into action in the last couple of weeks. It is really simple. I was quite blown away. It's the best affiliate program we've ever had. I went in, I tested it, I clicked, I opened up, I was in the dashboard immediately with my email only. There was a link there. All I have to do is click on that link, copy it, go to my social media platform, anyone I want, and post some Peter Stone jewelry or a picture of yourself wearing Peter Stone jewelry, and post that link. Encourage your viewer to go to that link, and you can read the rest in the program, but your first 3 pieces of jewelry are free. Whatever 3 different people buy from you, that jewelry, that amount is credited to your account for the full value of retail jewelry. I mean, that could be very high. I mean, it could be 150, which is a nice piece of change. I would take that any day. But suppose 3 people bought $150 each. That's $450 retail jewelry credit in your account for instant use. You have an immediate credit. As soon as that processes, those people's orders process, then you get that credit and everything's paid for. So you have to understand that. And your jewelry does not include shipping, a little side note. And it's the same shipping anybody else pays. There's no, we don't play games here. We just give you a really good deal and you'll enjoy this. Then after the first 3 people, you get a 25% credit building up in your account every time someone buys. So if they bought $1,000 worth of jewelry, for example, over 3 or 4 weeks, a bunch of different people, the same people, it doesn't matter, you get a 25% credit towards jewelry. You say, Peter, well, I don't want all jewelry. Can I have some cash? I say absolutely. But the cash credit is a little bit less. It's 15%. And which is, hey, $150. You're going to be on social media anyway. Don't just flip through and waste your time. Flip through and earn as you're having fun and going through places. Just share with markets. I mean, there's 43 different niche markets. You can go outside of your passions. You can go other places just to make some extra money and get out there. Have fun and enjoy it and share something that will help people, like our archangels or any of the mandalas or any of the healing jewelry, a metaphysical, new age, spiritual jewelry with symbols and meaning and value in people's lives. Please check it out. Here's the link. You just click on this link and you'll be there. You have to put in your email, but that's it. It's pretty simple. And we'll track everything and give you the report. You can go in and check it. You can go see when people buy yourself at this link. Just click on the link and go and check it. This is Peter Stone. Welcoming you again to 2021. And one heck of a journey coming. So you may as well earn some money, have some fun, and there's lots of opportunity at Peter Stone. We love you. Look forward to seeing you and meeting you.